Hello, YouTubers. I just wanted to give you an update that Randy's Rock and Roll Railroad won my 500 subscriber contest. Congratulations, Randy. And thanks for all of you that attempted to win. Have a good one.
And thanks to all of you, I'm actually over 500 subscribers already. Keep it up, folks. Thanks. Mostly this week I've been unpacking trains and getting them on the shelf. Been trying to locate a few things. Got all my Santa Fe engines out and put up. Also looking for my Alaska Railroad engine custom paint sets. Found those. And I found my first Alaska diesel set, and that got put up. And then I also unpacked a lot more stuff. Got a new building from Menards. Well, I finally got these two switches wired up with new switch machines to a single switch control since it's a crossover. Today I straightened up my workbench and got this organized a little better. I got this set out of the box and got it all running. Custom painted by my friend Randy. I had to get a bunch of parts and put together on that engine set, and Randy, all he did was paint it, so he didn't know how to put it all back together. But I got it all together, added a few extra couplers that were broken, and made them electro couplers. But I'm happy it's up and running. Anyway, that was my week. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.